Folic acid. Introduction. Which one of the following is not another name for folic acid? Choose one of the following options. 1. Folate. 2. Vitamin B9. 3. Vitamin D. Correct. Vitamin D is not another name for folic acid. Which one of the following groups of people has a higher risk of folate deficiency? Choose one of the following options. 1. People taking certain seizure medications. 2. Pregnant women. 3. Women who are breastfeeding. 4. All of the above. Correct. The recommended amount of folic acid increases with the person's age. Select true or false. Correct. The recommended amount of folic acid increases with a person's age. Pregnant women who eat healthy food rich in folic acid do not need to take supplements. Select true or false. Correct. Taking folic acid supplements is a standard preventative measure against some birth defects.
Thank you for using Explain.